Today I am reviewing the Cuckoo High 6-cup electric heating pressure rice cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the basics. This Cuckoo rice cooker comes with a 3-quart capacity, which translates to 6 uncooked cups or up to 20 cups of cooked rice. That means whether you're cooking for yourself, a couple, or a small family gathering, this device can handle it all. Despite its generous capacity, it remains compact and counter-friendly, measuring about 14.2 inches deep, 10.1 inches wide, and 11.6 inches tall. It's sleek, efficient, and doesn't hog space. But what truly sets this cooker apart is its power and intelligence. At the heart of its design is electric heating pressure cooking, which allows for faster and more uniform results. And when I say fast, I mean it. This unit reaches an industry-leading pressure level of 29 psi, or 200 kilopascals. What does that mean for you? It means brown rice that's done in half the time. It means perfectly soft white rice every single time. It means food cooked under pressure, so it's not just warm. It's flavorful, textured, and aromatic. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Cuckoo High Pressure Rice Cooker offers 12 built-in cooking modes, including glutinous white rice, mixed rice, brown rice, GABA rice, and even porridge. For those who don't know, GABA rice, also known as germinated brown rice, is a superfood with enhanced nutrition, and this machine can activate it with the right temperature and time settings. There's also a multi-cook mode, which gives you the flexibility to try out a variety of dishes beyond just rice. Think steamed vegetables, slow-cooked stews, or even tender meats. It's basically a rice cooker that moonlights as a pressure cooker and food warmer, giving you way more for your money. And speaking of warming, this device also doubles as a rice warmer, so your meals stay fresh and ready to serve without overcooking. Perfect for busy households or staggered meal times. Safety is another highlight. The automatic steam release system ensures that once your cooking is done, pressure is let out softly and quietly, minimizing the risk of burns or splatter. Especially important if you have kids or pets around. You don't need to be a pressure cooking expert to use this. The cooker takes care of everything for you. The inner pot is coated with a non-stick black copper surface, which is known for its heat distribution and durability. It also makes cleaning up way easier. No more scraping or scrubbing. In terms of usability, everything is laid out clearly on a digital control panel with simple buttons. It's intuitive, easy to operate, and comes with a rice spatula, a measuring cup, and a steam plate, so you're ready to get cooking the moment it comes out of the box. Another key thing to note is the build quality. Cuckoo is a brand known for manufacturing high-end rice cookers for decades, particularly in South Korea, where rice is central to the cuisine. And it shows. This unit feels solid, premium, and engineered with precision. So, what's the verdict? The Cuckoo High Pressure Rice Cooker and Warmer isn't just for rice. It's for people who value time, nutrition, consistency, and flavor. Whether you're preparing jasmine rice, brown rice, quinoa, or even making porridge or steaming vegetables, this cooker has your back. It's efficient, smart, quiet, and safe. In short, this is not just a rice cooker. It's an intelligent kitchen companion designed to make your meals easier, tastier, and more enjoyable.